Hey guys, what's up? This your boy YG Key Deals. Thank you for tuning in. Today was another auction pickup of a 2006 Nissan Murano S all-wheel drive. Guys, subscribe, comment, and like the video. You'll do me a big favor. I'm going to bring you more content, more auction walkarounds, more live bidding, so you guys can kind of see what the prices are and everything like that. But enjoy the video. Enough of me talking. See you on the next one. Guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. The body looks in great condition. They say it had a chip in the windshield, but I don't see it. The body looks like it's in great condition. 169,000 miles on it. It's not bad at all. Check out the inside. Like somebody had a pet. No odor, but somebody definitely had a pet in here. That'll open. It's the inside for you. Fairly decent. Little vacuum, light cleaning, headlines look good. Everything look decent in here. Now the true test comes in when I gotta start it. Got 3 keys. Wait. Let me see. That feels good. But definitely need valve cover. Definitely need some valve cover. So that I'm gonna take care of. Oh, black too. I think needs. Well, looks to be in good condition. All that other stuff is easy to do. But yeah, this is it. This is it. So my crazy ass done went and did. And bought myself another car. By the time I'm done, somebody's gonna have themselves a nice car. Somebody's gonna have themselves a nice car. So let me go pay for it, and let you know what happens. See you later.